Hello everyone, welcome back again to my vlog. This is again your host, Maris GL. Well, for today's video guys, it's just a quick appreciation post. No, not a post, a video. I just, paano ko ba sasabihin? Well, since guys, nice ko lang, I just want to say thank you. Kasi nadagdagan na po yung subscriber natin sa channel na to. And I really appreciate your effort guys. Although, as you can see naman, yung mga videos ko is parang very need pa talaga niya ng practice. Kasi, I know, hindi naman ako ganun ka hindi ako sanay magsalita in front of the camera. Nagpa-practice pa lang din po ako. So, if you can write your comments guys in the comment section below and I will try to answer. If mayroon po kayong mga questions, suggestions, feel free to ask for me. Since I was started, beginner pa lang din po ako sa paggawa ng content. So, thank you po sa help ninyo. Thank you so much. And thank you po sa mga nag-subscribe. At if ever naman po na mapadaan yung video ko sa mga screen ninyo, or please do subscribe. And please also help me na mas ma-improve ko pa yung paggawa ko ng content na in the future I know, because it's a win-win situation guys. Although marami naman akong nababasa na na kumikita sila sa paggawa ng content, pero ako siguro malayo pa ako dun. Nagsisimula pa lang po ako. So for this video guys, I just want to say thank you once again. Thank you so much, and I hope na mas makapag-share pa ako ng meaningful or valuable content sa aking mga viewers at sa inyong lahat guys. Thank you so much. I love you all.